We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names from history as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This was the name of a Swiss linguist, semiotician and philosopher. How do you say it? For reference, in French or in Swiss French, since he was from a French-speaking part of Switzerland, this is said as Ferdinand. Yes, the D is silent in French. Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure. It'd be fine in English to say it as Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure from French. Ferdinand de Saussure. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.